Yo guys, today we are going to be installing some H&R Super Sport springs on a F80 M3 and show you guys the difference in the ride height before and after. So as you can see, the front fitment is really bad. Almost looks like you have a front lift up. Let's see, what are we looking like? We're about 4 fingers in the front. Pretty bad. And the rear is not as bad. We're looking like 1.5. We are running 12 mil spacers on here, so the overall fitment's not too bad right now, but it will get much better. And we got the boy Matt here too. So he actually got springs recently on his. Looks really good. Almost tucking right there in the front. And the rear is looking pretty nice too. He kind of needs some spacers on here, but it's all good because what are you gonna get soon?
TEs.
All right, so we just got the car back and the lowering springs are on now. The rear fitment, much better now. You can't even get any fingers in there. And the front fitment, still settling. But compared to how it was stock was 4 fingers and now not even settled 2 right now, so looking much better. Overall, came out super good. Really loving the work that they did for me. Looking really good all around, especially the rear fitment, almost perfect, especially the 12 mil spacers on it. You have super dial fitment. Might need to go a little bit more aggressive on it, but for now looks really good. If you guys do have any questions and you want springs or any installations done on your F chassis, S5X Performance in Irvine, California is your place to go.